Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your calculator shows a log key. If not, use ln for natural logarithm. Next, decide whether you need log base 10 or natural log. This matters because outputs differ. Enter the value x carefully. For simple numbers, type them directly, but for expressions, use parentheses. For example, type 3 plus 2, then press your log key. Once done, press equals to compute. You now have the logarithm of the entered expression. If your calculator lacks a log base button, you use the change of base formula. Log base b of x equals ln x divided by ln b. You input this by typing ln x, then the divide key, then ln b, and press equals. Make sure each ln call wraps its argument with parentheses to avoid errors. For example, ln 100/ln 2. Once you compute, verify the result by checking approximate powers. 2 to the returned value should equal 100, confirming correctness. To finish, confirm the value makes sense. Logs require x greater than 0, so if you get an error, revisit your input. You re-enter the expression carefully, ensuring parentheses and base selection are correct. Wrong base is a common source of wrong answers. If the display shows a syntax error, clear and type step by step. As a troubleshooting tip, reset the calculator or switch to a higher precision mode when answers seem rounded or inconsistent. This often resolves subtle input or mode problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.